Good morning, ma'am.
Hello students, Namaskar and good morning to everyone.
Good
How are you
morning, ma'am.
all?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay.
Fine, ma'am.
Who is here? Yash, Shashu, Dvija. Okay. And how was your PA1 exam?
Good. Nice.
Nice, good, okay. So, do you know when will our term 1 exam? Very nice, okay, Shyam?
Ma'am, the circular and the timetable was same, but I don't know date.
Timetable, okay, fine. It will start on 30th September and end of this month there will be submission for 27th September. No, Ashutosh. Have you checked it properly? No, you think no. 27th September को I think submission होगा. It means end of this month. So we have only 1, 2, 3 and 4 periods. And have you seen the syllabus of computer subject for the term 1?
No, ma'am.
Yes or no? Okay, fine. There are 13 chapters in your textbook. So chapter 1 to 6 I am going to ask in term 1 and MCQ based exam will be there. Might be 40 marks paper will be there, 40 or 50. Okay. So can anyone tell me what? Hanji, yes please.
Ma'am, you send Ogu from question answers. We have to write in
Pardon?
notebook of computer.
I'm not getting your voice properly, Dika.
Ma'am, I am
What?
saying that we have to write
Yes, mute yourself. No, question answer I will share, but that is only for the reference. If you want to read, then you can. I'm not going to ask question answer in term 1 exam and no need to make a notebook of computer subject. Right? That is only given for the reference. Okay. So we are meeting, I think, after 15 days, right? Because last week was your exam and before that one period was there and before that week there was submission. Okay, so can anyone tell me which chapter we learned in last period? Everyone please reply in chat box only. Yes, please reply in chat box. If everyone will do your mic on, then voice will not come proper to us. Chapter number? Excel, yes. So have you done practice in Excel?
Ma'am, I have made 3. Ma'am,
Hanji?
I have made 3.
3 tables,
And I have
okay, very
sent-
nice. Which I
I
guess?
have sent you one. I have sent you one.
One. Where you send?
Ma'am, in
WhatsApp?
WhatsApp day only.
That day only? Okay, I will check it again. So I hope you understood the introduction of Excel 2010. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me now. Any doubt? No, okay, fine. Pardon?
Can we do about that Microsoft Paint?
Microsoft Paint. Paint Microsoft में नहीं आता है बेटा. That is not providing my Microsoft company. Hanji, ma'am, I will send you my project of Excel today or on Sunday. Okay, Veer. Fine. What you are going to do in that project? I have prepared. I will also send. Okay, beta. I'm thinking. Okay, fine, good. Okay, I'm not forcing anyone to do projects. If you have time, then you can do it, but do practice at home. You require only 10 to 15 minutes for the practice. If you are attending 40 or 50 minutes class, then you require only 10 minutes for the practice. अगर आपने पूरा क्लास अटेंड किया है, 10 मिनट प्रैक्टिस नहीं किया है, देन सब कुछ यूजलेस है. ओके, so introduction to Excel. Let's do the exercise of this. Open page number 36. When we will get PA1 marks? That you have to ask to all subject teachers only, because I am also not aware about this. Might be they are going to update it in application. I think I have saved it, so I can send you. Okay, beta, you can send. If we have time, then we will discuss in last. Now concentrate here only. Everyone, please open paper 36, and this will read by Jay Sarvalia. Okay. Hello,
Yes,
DJ. Okay.
Yes.
DA, are you able to hear
Yes.
me, beta?
Ma'am, may I read? Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. DA. Okay, fine. Me?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, may I read? Ma'am, may I read Nirva? Ma'am, left. They are not come yet.
The recording has started.
Hello, am I audible and visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry for the
Ma'am,
inconvenience
may I
caused because I was left meeting suddenly because of some technical issue.
I'll send you my
Okay,
all
now-
three projects of this.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay. Vija and Nirva, please mute yourself. Without my permission, no one can unmute themselves.
Ma'am,
Whatever queries you have, that you have to ask in class only.
ma'am, may I read this? I'm not query. I want to say something.
Hanji, yes. Hanji.
Ma'am, you said that what is the last column and what is the last letter of the Excel?
What is the last?
Letters. Letters. What are the last letters? Letters. What are the last letters?
What? I'm not getting properly, beta.
Now you said that if we push, if we press control and right arrow, there will be go to last arrow, there will be last letters.
Are you using hands-free?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you using hands-free? Headphones?
Yes, ma'am. Headphones.
Okay. Okay, fine. So you can type the query in chat box because I'm not getting properly. Now open page number 36, workout we are going to do today, and the exercises of this chapter. 2 small exercises given in this chapter, and we are continue with chapter number 5. It is little bit big, but we will complete it today only because it's a very simple. It is same like word. So workout will read by Shyam Gami. You have to read this 5 blanks. Rest all students be ready with the answers. You have to reply your answers in chat box only. Shyam Gami. Are you here, beta? Hello, Shyam.
Ma'am, may I read?
Yes. I asked one question in last period that how many columns and rows are there? X, F, D. Yes, तो सब कुछ याद रहता है. X, F, D तक यहाँ की columns होती है. When I open Excel at that time I will show you. Thanks for the remind. Shyam, start reading please. We don't have much time. We have to complete. I am muting myself also.
The software which contains row and columns is called a cell. The cell that is defined by a board around it is called the dash. Excel uniquely identifies cells within a worksheet with dash and dash. The formulas in Excel start with an dash sign. The dash and dash is an Excel window allow entering values and formats.
Thank you.
Ma'am, I have.
Okay. Thank you so much, Shyam. Okay, so first one's answer is given by cell, Mr. Gule. See, software which contains rows and column, they are not asking row and column, intersection between row and column. They are telling about rows and column. If they are talking about row and column, then one row and one column intersect and it makes cell. But they are asking rows and columns. So correct answer is Vira, nice try, Excel. We can see it in term 1 exam. You will ask filling the blanks. I am going to ask filling the blanks, but I will ask is as a form of MCQs. So you have to prepare this also. Straight seat we can say, right? Straight seat. Second one answer. Everyone please reply in chat box quickly. The cell that is defined by the gold border around it is called bold border. Let me show you. I'm clicking here, right? Then you can see bold border is there. That is called.
Ma'am, are you on page number 37?
Page number 36, beta. Everyone, please reply your answers.
Ma'am, what is the
Bold
answer
border.
of what is the answer of
First one I will share PDF, don't worry. Second one's answer is active cell. If you are click in any cell, then you can see the border of this cell is bold, active cell. Yes. Next, third one, that cell uniquely identifies cells within a worksheet with dash and dash. So answer is column name in row numbers. Next, the formulas in Excel start with is equal to sign. Next, dash in Excel window allow entering values and formulas. Formula bar, if you want to add anything, then we can click on formula bar. Okay. Next, we'll read by Nistha. Page number 37, exercises. Question number 1, select the correct answer. Those students who are replying answers, I will tell that to read only. Okay.
Ma'am, what is the
Ma'am,
answer
what
of
is the answer of fourth?
Beta, I will share PDF, don't worry. I will share PDF.
The intersection of a row and a column is called, ma'am.
Nisha, you have to read from first to Hanji.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
beta.
The intersection of a cell is called. The intersection of
Okay.
a column is called a cell.
Do continue reading till 5. Rest of students.
The feature which automatically fills a row or a column with a series of numbers is called. Then the first column label in an Excel sheet is the correct way of entering a formula in Excel. The cell on which you click is called as.
Thank you. Thank you so much,
Ma'am,
Nisha.
can I
First
tell
one
the
answer. The intersection of row and column is called cell. Correct answer. Second one, it's the autofill beta, not auto. Yes, autofill. Correct answer. Let me show you this option. Suppose if I want to type here from 6 to 10, then I have to just drag it, then right click and then autofill. Yeah, fill series option is there that you can use. Next, third one, A. Correct answer. Correct answer. Next, please. Next one, formula. Fourth one.
Ma'am,
Beta, if you are
answer is
replying
A1.
answer of 4, then type 4 and
Ma'am,
then
my
A
answer
because I am
is-
confusing. Yeah, कौन से question का answer reply कर रहे हो?
Ma'am, A.
Yes, 4.
Ma'am, A.
G. Correct answer. Last one. The cell on which you can click is called
Active.
active cell. Yes, correct answer. Very nice. Thank you so much. Next, we'll read by who have given V. Kaila. Filling the blank. Start reading quickly.
The Excel window that opens the screen is called the
Next.
second. Data can be entered only in the third. The address history simply
Next.
means that the column is dash and row is dash. This means that the
Next.
the intersection of row and column is called the intersection of keyboard shortcut.
Next.
The keyboard shortcut to save a document is
Okay. Thank you, Veer. Okay. Now let's discuss about the answers. What is the answer of first one? Everyone, please reply quickly. Inka read रीडिंग कंप्लीट हो उसके पहले आप सबका आंसर्स आ जाने चाहिए चैट बॉक्स में.
मैम एक्सेल 2000.
So first one's answer is worksheet, right? Second one, active cell, because data can be entered only in active cell. If you want to add data anywhere, then you have to click on enter active. Hanji. Here they are asking C3. From this C3, C is column and number is row, right? Next, intersection of row and column is called cell, and the shortcut key to save document is Control S. Hanji beta. Hanji. Can we start next chapter now? Chapter number 5. More on Excel 2010. Can we start?
Ma'am, what is answer of fourth and third one?
Ma'am, you will send a PDF of this exercise.
Please, can anyone tell me what is answer of third?
Which filling the blanks or select the...
Ma'am, send the PDF. Ma'am, send the PDF.
You are asking about which?
Question number B. Question fill in the blanks B.
That I will not write because ma'am will send a PDF, so I will write from the PDF.
Okay, thank you.
Your recording has started.
Hello? Hello? Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to see
Yes, ma'am, you are
Excel sheet? Okay, now everyone please mute yourself. No one will do your mic on. Okay, concentrate here for 10 to 15 minutes. Chapter number 5, more on Excel. Can anyone tell me how to open Excel? We will revise chapter number 4 also with this chapter. Can anyone tell me how to?
May I answer?
Hanji.
Ma'am, may I say that?
No, I will ask.
I am telling.
No, I will ask. बेटा मैंने क्या बोला आपको आपका माइक ऑन नहीं करना है. Hirav, will you please tell me how to open Excel? Quickly. Hirav Pukali. Hirav. If you don't know, then you can reply in chat box. May I? Hirav, are you able to hear me? GA, are you here, beta? Go in. आशुतोष आपको रिप्लाई नहीं करना है. I want to ask to particular students those who are not active. Yes, they. Are you here, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how to open Excel? Do you know how to open Excel?
What, ma'am?
Yes or no? Yes or no?
Ma'am.
Hello, please reply. Yes, Hirav, I was asking you only, but you was not replying at that time. Can you tell me how to open Excel? Soumya, click on Start Search Excel in Windows 10, then simply open. Then you can do your work. अच्छा, मैंने तो सिर्फ पूछा कि मुझे ओपन करना है एक्सेल. मैंने कहाँ बोला कि मुझे उसमें वर्क करना है. हाँ सौम्या?
Ma'am, may I say how to open the Excel?
No, I want to answer it from. Acha, your mic is not opening. Okay, dear, no problem. Now everyone reply in chat box so that I am doing continue. All students reply me about Windows 10, how to open Excel in Windows 10, but I am using now Windows 7 in my computer, so I am just clicking on Start button. Once I click on Start button, you can see many programs are there. From this, you have to click on all programs. Once you click on all programs, you can see many programs are here from this Microsoft Office, and you can choose Microsoft Excel from here, or you can type it here. Once you type it there, you can see Excel is available here. From this, you can open. I am opening my previous file of Excel in which I had done some work. बेटा ये हो गया, अभी यहाँ पे concentrate कीजिए. I am considering some topics which is. हाँ जी. You are also using Windows 7. Is okay, fine. Okay. Okay, now see here everyone. I will consider some topics which is given in your textbook, and I will explain some topics which are not given in your textbook, but this is useful for you for the future use. If you want to learn Excel properly, up to date, then you require 3 months formulas and all things. But here some 3 chapters are given in 6th standard and 2 chapters are given in 7th standard. Okay, now can I share my screen? No, ma'am. No, beta, you cannot share your screen now. Now, first of all, you can see on page number 40, adding data in worksheet. How can we add some data in worksheet that they are explaining?
Ma'am.
Yashika Jain, please mute yourself. Selecting the cell. Suppose if you want to select.
Ma'am, can you mute because of network issues? I can't be mute. Ma'am.
Okay, fine. Hands. I'm trying to mute you, but okay, done, fine. So if you want to select a cell, then first you have to click there and then you can select. Suppose if I want to select this E, then I have to click like this arrow. Suppose if I want to select this cell from the E5 to E11, then I have to select like this. I'm showing you my mouse also, so you are able to see how to select this. Understood? This is called selection of the cell, selection of the row and column. Suppose if I want to select this row, then I have to click like this. Right? If I want to go in particular cell, then I have to click there only. If I want to type anywhere, then I have to first select that cell. This is called active cell, and then you can do single click there, and then you can write. Double click, sorry, not single click. Right? Now next is inserting or deleting entries. Suppose if I want to insert some entries here you can see January, February, March, April, May, June is there. I want to add July between April and May. Then just select the row, right click, then insert. Once I click insert, you see one row is inserted there. To save, if you want to delete this, then click there, right click, delete. Select this entire row and then delete, you can delete it. One more option is there. Suppose if you are not selecting this row, entire row, then you can click there and then do just right.
Ma'am, left. Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Ma'am, may I leave because of network issue? I will watch recording because I can't understand anything because of network issue. Yashika, ma'am is.
Hello,
Recording has started.
am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so concentrate here for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm just clicking here. Suppose if I want to add one cell here, then you have to do just right click and then insert. Once you click on insert, you can see one dialog box is appear in this shift cell right. If you want to shift this cell right side, then you have to click on this, then you can see 52 is here, 276 is here and 145 is there. Suppose if I want to undo this, then Control Z. Again I am repeating this option, insert, shift cell downside. If you click on this, then see 2 is here, 48 is here and one cell is added there. Control Z, right click, insert entire row. If you want to insert entire row, then you can click here and then insert. Right? Two methods are there to insert row. First, you can select entire row and then you can click on the insert. Shyam Bhimani, mute yourself. And second option, you can do right click, insert and then insert row. I am inserting column now. Are you able to see it properly? Is my screen visible to everyone? Reply in chat box only. Yes, okay, fine. So let's continue with the delete option. Suppose if I don't want this column and if I want to delete this column, then just do right click and then delete. Once you click on the delete, you can see this column is not appear now. Suppose if I want to delete this particular value, then just right click and then delete. Once you click on the delete, if you want to delete this entire row, then you have to choose this third one option. If you want to delete this entire column, then you have to choose last one option. But if you want to delete this particular cell, then you have to select first or second option. Shift cell left hand side. Once I click on this, you can see here value is empty and 183 from D3. वो कहाँ पे था? D10 पे था, वो move होके C10 पे आ गया. I am doing Control Y so you can see, and then Control Z for the undo, Control Y for the redo. Okay, I am doing color this so you are able to see it properly. Control Y, Control Z. Sorry, Control Y, Control Y. This is I am giving red so you are able to see it properly. Now I am deleting this. Right click, delete, delete. Understood? Suppose if I want to delete this, then I can delete it from here. Okay, I am deleting this wala. Delete and delete, shift cell up. Understood? One cell is shifted from here to there. 2 is removed. One cell is shifted from here to there. Understood? Any doubt in this? No, right? Now next option is given on page number 41, copying and moving entries. Suppose if I want to copy this table, then you have to select this, Control C, shortcut key for this, and then paste it from here. आपको जहाँ पे भी paste करना है, you have to paste it like this. Understood? If you want to copy this sheet. Suppose this sheet is sheet number 2. If you want to copy this sheet, then just do right click, move or copy. Once you click on this, create a copy option is there. You have to check each and then where you want to paste, that you have to select. This sheet 3 and then OK. Once you click on OK, you can see sheet 2 is available here and sheet 2 of 2. It is a carbon copy of sheet 2. Understood? One more thing is there. Suppose if you want to select this table, then if you want to copy this table, this particular portion, right, 3 entries only, then you can select it like this, Control C, copy. Once you click on Control C, you can see dot lines are here, and then you can click here and then give paste. Once you click on this, you can see that is copied here, right? This is called copy. Now I'm talking about move. Move, it means cut. Suppose if I want to cut this, then just select that cell and do cut. Shortcut key for the control cut is Control X and then paste it here. I'm taking another sheet. Control, there only I'm pasting so that you can understand the difference properly. Insert cut cell, paste. You can see this is move from there to here. Next option is clearing cell. It means, suppose if I don't want this heading there, then you have to select that cell and then just delete. Press on delete button, you can see it delete. Press on delete key. Right? One more option is there, undo and redo, which is given in your textbook, page number 42. For the undo, you have to click. You have to click on Control Z. This is the shortcut key of this. Okay, can anyone tell me कि मैंने last में क्या delete किया था, क्या operation perform किया था? Can anyone tell me? हाँ जी, हाँ जी, heading delete किया था, cells वाला कुछ था. So I am just clicking on Control Z, तो वो वापस आ जाएगा. Control Y, again it's deleted. Control Z, Control Z. If I do Control Z many times, then you can see whatever operations I perform, that operations doing undo and then redo. Control Y, Control Y. Understood this much? Now we completed this topic, editing data in worksheet. Next is formatting the worksheet. This is very interesting. Formatting the worksheet. What is the use of formatting? Can anyone tell me? Formatting means what? What do you understand? If anyone speaks formatting, then can anyone?
Formatting means editing the. Formatting means editing the.
Formatting means editing. No, beta. Editing we already learned. In editing, we can delete, we can create, we can insert some entries. In formatting, anyone else want to try? Suppose new thing, no?
Ma'am, formatting we can size of the font.
Ma'am, formatting means to form something on our
Yes, absolutely right answer. In formatting, you can change the font style, color, and etc. What is the use of formatting? Suppose in your textbook, correct answer is, suppose आपकी जो कंप्यूटर की टेक्स्ट है वो उसमें ब्लैक की फॉन्ट हो, नो कलरिंग देयर, नो कलर इज देयर, एंड हेडिंग जो आपका है वो भी नॉर्मल फॉन्ट है, वही फॉन्ट में हो, अगर उनकी साइज वगैरह बड़ी ना हो तो. Do you like to read this? No, right? So formatting is very important in the worksheet, right? So let's start this formatting worksheet. आपने अगर वर्ड में वर्क किया होगा तो उसमें जो फॉर्मेटिंग के ऑप्शंस आते हैं, सेम ऑप्शंस यहाँ पे भी आते हैं. इवन इन माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, इफ यू आर यूजिंग एनी सॉफ्टवेयर ऑफ माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, तो उस सब में सेम सारे सॉफ्टवेयर में सेम ही ऑप्शंस आते हैं, राइट? सो लेट मी डू Control Z. दिस इज माय टेबल, राइट? नाउ Suppose if I want to change the color of this heading, then I can change it from here. Are you able to see screen properly? That menu bar. First of all, we have to go in home tab. Once you click on this, you can see some fonts are here. From this, you can choose any font. Clicking there, then size 24, and then color. You can change color from here. This is theme color and this is font color. I'm choosing yellow. Now see, this table is not looking properly, right? So anyhow, I have to merge this, right? I have to merge from B3 to E3. So I'm selecting this cell. I'm doing right click this, not right click, I'm going in alignment and then merge and center. Once I click on this, you can see from B3 to E3. This 1, 2, 3, 4 cells are merged. Now see, heading is not looking properly. Red color is not visible in screen, I think. Let me change the color. Black color is visible, right? Okay, fine. So now see, fonts are too big, so it's not visible properly. The heading is not visible properly. So either I can do small fonts. If I do small fonts, then you are not able to see it. So let me do something. I'm just dragging it from there to here. Now size of cell, you can see it's big. But now still it is not visible properly. So one option is there, text wrap. Are you able to see this option? Once I click on this, you can see they are showing wrap text. You can see Microsoft Excel is written on first cell, and in second cell they are showing arrow, and they are showing like this. Microsoft Word is in first line and Excel is in second line. So I'm clicking on this. Now you are able to see it is showing you properly, right? So you can change the font from here also. So this we talk about the alignment. Now if you want to give bold, if you want this font as a bold, then you have to click on this italic for the italic style, and then underline. Understood this all options? Let me change the color of this. Okay, now if I want border around this, then you have to click there and then border. Thick border. Once you click on this, you are able to see border is there. So simple, we learn in formatting fonts from the font group. You can change the style, you can change font size, you can change color, background color, bold, italic, underline. Page number 42 and 43. Now let's talk about the alignment. See, suppose this cell, I want this in the middle of this cell. मुझे ये middle में चाहिए, then you have to go in alignment option which is available here. I'm clicking here. Then you can see it's looking in center. Suppose if I want this left side, then you have to choose.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Understood?
Ma'am,
Time
is over. Ma'am, time is over.
I know, but I'm going to take your 5 minutes extra because I know you have 20 minutes gap there, right? Now next,
Ma'am, your voice is not coming as your screen.
things you can do from, same thing you can do it from here also. Suppose if you want to insert something,
screen is tagged.
Okay.
Maybe your screen is blur.
Hanji, wait 1 minute. I'm checking my net connectivity. Okay, is it visible now?
No, ma'am.
No, still it's not visible.
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Okay, fine. So wait for a few minutes
It is.
and stay here for a few minutes. You can do insert tabs from here also. See, I'm clicking on insert. You can see some cells are inserted there. If you want to delete this, then you can delete it. If you do click on this, then जो 4 options हमने यहाँ पे सीखे थे, that 4 options are available here also. Right? Do practice at home. You will understand it properly if you do practice at home then. Inserting and deleting row and column that we already discussed. Yes, one more option is there, row height and column height. Suppose I'm copying this cell from here and then pasting it here, then you can see size of cells are changed. ठीक है, जो ये साइज दी थी यहाँ पे इतनी बड़ी कॉलम की रो की साइज, वो साइज यहाँ पे नहीं आई. ठीक है, so I can see it from here. Just click here and then format. Once you click on format, you can see row height. Once you click on this 129.75, it means 130 इसकी height है. So 130 I'm clicking here and then format and then row height 130. Once I click on 130, you can see row height same हो गई. Now let's see about width. अगर ये January है, इसकी मुझे width देखनी है, then you have to click on this and then column width 22.14. Okay, यहाँ पे मैं जा रही हूँ, I'm clicking here and I'm clicking again on format and then column width. कौन सा 21 something, right? So 21. So आप देख सकते हो जो height width row and column की यहाँ पे है, वो आप यहाँ कॉपी कर सकते हो. अगर आपको इस height and width देखनी है, अगर मेरा टेबल कुछ ऐसा है, राइट, बट मुझे डेस्कटॉप, लैपटॉप एंड टैबलेट ये तीनों की सेम साइज चाहिए, देन जस्ट क्लिक देयर एंड देन क्लिक ऑन द रो हाइट एंड कॉलम विड्थ. सॉरी, कॉलम विड्थ. वंस यू क्लिक ऑन दिस 17.57 में 18 राउंड फिगर कर देती हूँ. सेम आई एम डूइंग विद दिस. आई एम सिलेक्टिंग दिस एंड देन कॉलम विड्थ 20 था, आई गेस. So 20 I am giving, no 17, 18 tha, sorry. I am writing 18 now. Now you can see same width इसकी हो गई. So this formatting is very useful. Now next is, हाँ जी बेटा मुझे पता है कि time is over, but you have to stay for a few minutes here. Now let's talk about how to print this. You have to click on office button. Once you click on office button, you can see print option is there. From this you can click on print preview. अगर आप print preview पे देखेंगे तो आपको यहाँ पे दिखेगा. देखिए Excel के जो lines is not visible here. It means वो print में नहीं आएगा. अगर आपको इसका setup, orientation change करना है, page setup, portrait में से landscape करना है, then you can do it from here. Right? And then print. Once you click on print, you can see you have to choose any printer. अगर आपको all print करना है तो आप all print कर सकते हो. आपको selection करना है तो आप selection कर सकते हो. देखिए अगर मैं selection के ऊपर क्लिक करूंगी तो ये 48 only print में आएगा, because मैंने 48 पे क्लिक किया है. I'm clicking on selection and then preview. Once I click on preview, you can see 48 is there. अगर मुझे सिर्फ ये heading print करना है, then I'm selecting on the heading. चलिए आप इतना सिलेक्ट करते हैं and then control P is the shortcut key of this and then preview. ठीक है, इतना ही आया. देखिए, sorry, I have to choose it from here. Select, print, selection and then preview. ठीक है, January and February. One more option is there, select, print and then print preview. Page setup, margin you can set it from here. ठीक है, आपको कुछ ऐसा करना है कि यहाँ पे कुछ मार्जिन चाहिए, आप वर्कशीट बना रहे हो तो यहाँ पे ज्यादा मार्जिन चाहिए, बिकॉज आप यहाँ पे पंचिंग भी करेंगे तो यहाँ लेफ्ट साइड का मार्जिन चेंज कर सकते हो. सिलेक्ट, प्रिंट, प्रिंट प्रीव्यू. Again, I am going on Control P. Once I click on Control P, you can see number of copies. अगर आपके क्लास में 30 students है, if I want to take exam, practical test of your class, then I have to click here 30. So 30 printouts will come. Column. अगर आप इसके ऊपर क्लिक करेंगे तो वन साइड प्रिंट आएगी. अगर ये चेक बॉक्स ऑफ करेंगे देन टू साइड प्रिंट आएगी. राइट. एंटायर वर्कबुक. अगर आप एंटायर वर्कबुक पे क्लिक करके रिव्यू देखेंगे तो आपको पहले से लेके फर्स्ट शीट से लेके लास्ट शीट में जो भी है वो सारी चीजें यहाँ पे दिखेगी. ठीक है. प्रिंट में आएगी. राइट. आप यहाँ से भी सेट कर सकते हो. देखिए आपको प्रिंट रिव्यू प्रॉपर चाहिए तो यहाँ से भी सेट कर सकते हो. वंस आई क्लिक हियर यू कैन सी इट इज लुकिंग लाइक दिस. देखिए ये चार्ट प्रॉपर नहीं आ रहा है. सो आई हैव टू एनी हाउ ड्रैग दिस चार्ट फ्रॉम देयर टू हियर. अगर मुझे फर्स्ट पेज में एक ही टेबल चाहिए देन आई कैन ड्रैग इट फ्रॉम हियर. ये सब कुछ आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में नहीं है. आई एम टेलिंग यू ओनली फॉर द नॉलेज सो दैट इन फ्यूचर इट इज यूजफुल फॉर यू. राइट. ओके. बाय. हैव अ नाइस डे. You have to do practice of these all options at home. Bye.